Computing powers almost everything in the modern world, from AI to mobile payments to ride-sharing to animation. At Penn Engineering, we teach you how to build what's inside the computing device.
The Department of Computer and Information Science offers several degrees and joint programs. Computer Science, Digital Media Design, Computer Engineering, which we offer with the Department of Electrical and Systems Engineering, and AI, which we also offer with the Department of Electrical and Systems Engineering. You'll explore every aspect of artificial intelligence, from algorithms to the hardware that powers them.
Here, you'll learn how to build complex systems by mastering the patterns and principles that sit beneath the code.
Our curriculum helps you adapt as technology evolves, and you'll learn to think critically about the technology you're creating.
We have new buildings, new majors, new departments popping up, incredible research happening, and I feel incredibly lucky to be part of this community.
Many of our graduates go on to lead at companies like Google, Apple, Waymo, Jane Street, and NVIDIA.
Others are changing the world by creating or joining cutting-edge startups.
And others are winning Oscars and bringing stories to life at studios like Disney.
For the past 3 summers, I've interned at a health insurance company as a software engineer, and I felt incredibly prepared coming into this internship with my background at Penn.
If you want to build the digital future, in code, in art, or both, CIS is where it begins.